Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 62 Bromley Road in Pittsford.
This is a picture-perfect Pittsford property that is just spectacular.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This charming home features exceptional space and updates. With a spacious modern kitchen with wood cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, Corian countertops, a center island, and beautiful hardwood floors, leading to the light and bright dining area. And an expansive family room with crown molding, a cozy gas stone fireplace, built-ins, and patio access. The first floor also features a spacious formal living and dining room with beautiful hardwood floors, great for entertaining family and friends, plus a powder room and laundry. The incredible space continues with a finished lower level with a living area with built-ins, an office or potential bedroom, plus a full bathroom.
The second floor features 4 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including this expansive owner's suite with beautiful hardwood floors, dual closets, and a full bathroom with a double vanity. This charming home has great curb appeal with its classic design and has excellent quality, which is evident in all the detail.
This is nature at its best. This entertainment-sized patio features a spacious sitting area, a fire pit, a tranquil pond with a waterfall, and a relaxing hot tub overlooking the exquisite landscaping with night lighting.
Bromley Road is a neighborhood of fine homes. Nearby, everything Pittsford has to offer. Here we are in Showen Place in the village of Pittsford.
Pittsford is known for its fabulous restaurants, great shops, and specialty boutiques. Situated on the historic Erie Canal, great for a walk, kayak ride, or boat ride. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 62 Bromley Road in Pittsford.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!